Wild chickens known for roaming the streets of Key West aren't going to be getting any more free meals. City commissioners say the free-range chicken population is getting out of hand. They're becoming more aggressive by the day, and they can carry and spread diseases and leave a large amount of fecal deposits on public property. Nasty. People feeding the wild chickens can be fined $250 per day for the first violation and then $500 per day for repeat offenders. Tom Sweets, the executive director for the Key West Wildlife Center, tells the Miami Herald the wild chickens don't need any help finding food because the island is a bug-rich environment for them. Katie Johnston for CBSMiami.com.